so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
For 2 hours. So guys, after I leave it and it's marinated for 2 hours, now it's ready for the grill outside. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this outside and I'm going to put it on my barbecue grill to saute it, and then I'm going to get it in my Russell Hobbs pot. So let's go guys, let's go outside. Put some oil on already, so I'm going to put my lamb on, and I'm going to close the barbecue lid down and leave it for a few. So guys, I'm gonna half cook these Irish potatoes and to put them on the grill outside, and then I'm gonna go outside to see if that meat is sauté, and then chuck it in the Russell Hobbs for 30 minutes. So guys, so I'm ready for it to go in the Russell Hobbs now. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. The stone is always open out, guys.
You know the white fingers?
Listen to the next side, guys. Can I easy cut with it? So guys, here I have peeled some carrot and I have washed them, because you must always wash everything. But this is a short video today. I never normally just have to wash, put everything at all, because everybody know you must wash carrot to use them. You can't be cooking dirty carrots. So I've washed them, and now I'm going to put them in the Russell Hobbs with my lamb. So guys, there you have it. I'm just going to chop them in, and this pot will just potatoes. But I'll do the potatoes on the grill outside. So guys, in 35 minutes this leg of lamb will be ready. It's in the Russell Hobbs pot, so here it is. So guys, let's look into the pot. Ooh, look at this guys. So I'm gonna let this cool, and I'm gonna go outside and do my potatoes on the grill. So guys, I've had the potato on the grill now. So as soon as one side is crispy, I'll turn it on the next side. Guys, I've turned over the potatoes, and I only use olive oil on the grill. So the potatoes are nice to have this way, guys. So I half cook them and then I put them on the grill. So it's easier to finish cooking. So guys, Tony is cutting up lamb. So guys, I am going to share my dinner. So guys, this is my dinner. Some spinach, string bean, and my roast potato and carrots with my hot roast lamb. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more. Give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. I will be having this dinner with some nice carrot juice. Bye for now.